All right, good morning. I was about to say something cliche like, I bet you're wondering why I called you here today. Something like that, except if you read the video title, then you know what this is all about. That's right, it's Loot Crate time, and I've got a Lord of the Rings Loot Crate here. I did cancel my subscription, although this one was still in the queue, so they went ahead and shipped it. I don't know if I have any more in the queue or not, and frankly, I don't really care that much. But I'm not sure anticipating seeing what's in here is the right word, especially given what the last crate was like. But I am curious to see what's in here, and I am hoping it's going to be better than what we had last time. So with that said, let's get in here. So, first thing I do is figure out, there we go. All right, this is looking okay so far. Something large on top, and we'll come back to that. So, we have, wow, we have a sweatshirt, not just a sweater, a sweatshirt with, there you go, with Sauron's eye on it. So, and then the didn't notice that. The One Ring inscription down the sleeve. So, okay, not bad. Not really something that's my taste. I'll probably never wear this, to be honest, but we'll see what happens. Oh, crap. More socks. And I've got, looks like it's Bilbo and Sam. And then Aragorn and Boromir. So, yeah, not particularly thrilled so far, but let's keep going and see what else we can get. All right, I've got what looks like a coin purse shaped like elven, shaped like an elven leaf packet for an elven leaf nimbus packet. So, yeah, okay, that's okay if that's the sort of thing you're into, and actually that might help you out in some cosplay if you're so desired. And I have a Gondor banner to go with the other banner that they gave me. So let's see what this looks like. Again, not really my thing. I don't know that I would hang it up anywhere, but there it is. Although this material is a little bit heavier than the last one, if I'm remembering correctly. So yeah, all right, not bad, but again, not really what I'm looking for here. So far, I think we're in better shape than the last crate. Let's see what we have here. Lord of the Rings Leaves of Lorien pin. Oh, okay. All right, now this I do like. So there you go. And yeah, although it is just a pin, it's not a cloak clasp, it's just a pin, but still, you could do something interesting with that, I'm sure. So let's tuck that back away and see what else we get here. And this is another very, very light box, a very little small box. So before I open it up, or look at the front. Oh, okay. A One Ring necklace. Perfect thing for your Bilbo cosplay, unless you, of course, if you're cosplaying Bilbo or Frodo cosplay. Jeez, can't believe I made that mistake. Okay, perfect thing for your Frodo cosplay, and if you're although if you're Frodo cosplaying already, you probably already have that already. All right, let's see if I can figure out how to get into this. And it looks like it's a journal cover, or a journal, maybe even a full journal. Let's see. Ooh, that's nice. Oh, that is actually real leather. There's some good in this world, Mr. Frodo, and it's worth fighting for. Let me see if I can get that off of there for you. Oh, there we go. And we've actually got faux parchment. Faux parchment in the middle, but yeah, you could make a very good. This would make a very good journal, and again, something that's would probably be worth carrying around with you. So yeah, all right, not too bad. Overall, I have to say. Oh, I'm sorry, and I forgot about this. This is a Gondor pillow, which would actually probably look pretty nice on my couch over there. Let's see if I can get it out of here without tearing it up. Okay, yeah, nothing fancy, just a cool little pillow. So there you go, and I'm gonna put it on the couch. So yeah, overall, definitely better than the last crate. A heavy sweatshirt, although it's coming into spring down here, so I don't know that I need it. And frankly, I don't really care for the silk screen, or it's not even silk screening, it's that spray-on rubbery stuff. So, or maybe that, I can never remember. Anyway, I'm very meh about the sweatshirt. Very meh about the socks. Very meh about the banner. Coin purse is cute. The pin, kind of like. The necklace, kind of like. Actually, I like the pin more than the necklace. And then the journal is actually kind of nice. So no complaints about that. So overall, I'll give it a C. It's definitely back up to, I guess, the Loot Crate, the base standard. But I think they were really scrambling to try to get stuff for this crate. So maybe it just wasn't that good of an idea. Maybe I can give the original Loot Crates a try again, but to be honest, not really interested in doing that. So anyway, I guess that's it, and I will talk to you later. Bye.